The lateral squat is similar to a lateral lunge, except for you bend both of your knees. So you're stepping out, but you're bending. So here's a lateral lunge, straight leg. Here's a lateral squat, bent leg. If you need arm support to make it easier, you can use arm support. If you want to reduce the range of motion, just do little mini lateral squats or side squats, that's fine. Here's what it looks like from the side view. Now you could do this with a bar on your back. Personally, I think I like the bands or the dumbbells better, but it doesn't mean it can't be done. I'll show you the band first. Again, the short band. I have both short and long bands. They both come in handy, depending on the exercise. So, right here, lateral squat. Down, up, down, up. So some common mistakes with this one. Knees are not tracking with your feet. So if you're doing a squat and your knees are going in, we don't want to see that. If you're doing a squat, your knees are going in front of your toes. We don't want to see that. So this is incorrect. This is incorrect. This is correct. Push that bottom back like you're going to sit down on a dirty toilet and you don't want to touch the toilet seat. All right. I hope you found that one helpful. Let's go through the dumbbell versions. Pretty similar. I hope you're noticing that once you learn the modification for one, it's easier to figure out the modifications for the other ones. I use very similar handholds for a lot of exercises. So you can do the shoulder hold. You can put it down by your side. But again, for me personally, I feel that in my arms. I feel that in my back. Some in my leg. I really like the goblet hold for lower body stuff. It just feels best to me. So that's the lateral squat. If you have any questions on that one, please let me know.